to me. Mr. Cantor, let's go to you. Imagine a court ruling, might not be too difficult, but a court ruling holding that a social media company with market power may be deemed a common carrier and therefore could, consistent with the Constitution, be prohibited from engaging in censorship. Would that, or in what way would such a court ruling affect your assessment of whether such a firm is a monopolist?
Thank you, Senator. I would certainly want to make clear that it would be important to assess the specific facts and circumstances before reaching any conclusions. But to extend a court concludes that a firm is a common carrier, then that's certainly an indication of monopoly power, and the antitrust laws should apply accordingly.
Okay, so it may be an indication of that. You're not necessarily saying it would be conclusive, but it might be an indication of that.
Well, if it's a common carrier,
If it's a common carrier,
it's likely to be pretty close to conclusive.
Right. In fact, it would be very difficult to get around that once you reach that conclusion that it's a common carrier, wouldn't it?
Well, I again want to reserve judgment on any specific set of facts, but as a general matter, yes.
What sort of thing could get one out of that conclusion once you had reached the conclusion as to common carrier status?
Sorry, Senator, I'm not sure I'm following the question.
If it's not conclusive, what would make it non-conclusive?
It really depends on the facts. One of the things I've learned in my practice, as I'm sure you appreciate from yours, is that every fact pattern presents differently, and you often see things that you don't expect or don't anticipate. And I think one of the most important things we do in our job is to make sure that we are assessing each set of facts before us. So I'm happy to answer generally, as I did, and directionally, but I do want to be very careful not to exclude a wide range of possibilities, some of which I might not be able to anticipate.
Understood. Looks like I'm out of time for this round. Thanks.
All right.
Madam Chair.
Oh, very good.